Welcome to the 30th session of Management Accounting, 5th semester of BBA, Bangalore University. So in this session, we are going to discuss a problem on statement of fund from operation. A recap of previous class. In the previous session also, we discussed another problem on statement of fund from operation in statement form. The problem number 2 be like, from the following balance sheets and additional information given, you are required to calculate funds from operation for the year ended 2007. So we have a balance sheet that is liabilities and assets, the values of 2 years, that is 2006 and 2007. And also we have additional information. So they are saying like during 2007 dividends of rupees 15,000 were paid and depreciation written off plant and machinery amounted to rupees 6,000 and depreciation has been charged on land and buildings. So take a clear look at the balance sheet here. So assets, we have assets like land and buildings, plant and machinery, stock, debtors, investments, cash, goodwill. Then on the liability side we have a share capital, general reserve, profit and loss account, 6% debenture and creditors, and also the along with the additional information. So we need to find out the funds from operation for the year ended 2007. Right, let's go for the solution. Before preparing funds from operation, we should prepare non-current accounts in order to items to be added or deducted from net profit. For that reason we are doing the working note here. So working note number 1 for will be land and building. So land and building, particulars rupees. The opening balance of land and building is rupees 1 lakh, and also the closing balance of land and building is rupees 95,000. That means the balancing figure 5,000 will be the depreciation for land and building account. This will be the working note number 1. Denotes balancing figure and refers amounts to be added to net profit. Working note number 2 for plant and machinery account. So the opening balance of plant and machinery is rupees 80,000. So to balance brought down from the balance sheet, I am getting this information, that is to balance brought down rupees 80,000. So in the adjustment they say that depreciate plant and machinery rupees 6,000. So by depreciation 6,000 and the closing balance of that plant and machinery is 90,000. So credit side is more, that is 96,000. So on the debit side rupees 60,000. So to bank account, that will be the balance figure that known as purchases. This will be the working note number 2. So we done with this. So let's go for the main format of find out funds from operation. Calculation of funds from operations. So closing balance of P&L account, that is year 2007, it is 22,000 less opening balance of 2006, 20,000. So 22,000 minus 20,000, net profit for the year it will be 2,000. For that 2,000 you need to add non-fund and non-operating items which have been already debited to P&L account. So what are those? Depreciation on plant and machinery rupees 6,000 and depreciation on land and building 5,000, and also the dividends 15,000 and goodwill written off. That means 20,000 minus 10,000 of rupees previous and current year balance. 20,000 minus 10,000, so 10,000. So when you add that total, you will get 36,000. So 36,000 plus 2,000, 38,000. From that value of 38,000, you need to less non-fund or non-operating items which have been already credited to P&L account. So we don't have any items relating to that. So 38,000 will be the answer, like funds from operations. So what you did here, that is you less the opening balance from the closing balance, will get 2,000 for net profit for the year. So for that 2,000 you added non-fund and non-operating items which have been already debited to P&L account. So 36,000, 36 plus 2, 38. You don't have any items which have been already credited to P&L account. We have only debited, we added that. To less, we don't have any credited items to the P&L account. So it will be nil. So 38,000 will be the same answer for funds from operation. So funds from operation for the year ended 2007 will be 38,000. Thank you.